Good afternoon, friends. Happy Friday to all of you. This is a major update. The Internal Revenue Service has confirmed that it's ready to test out a new program that would help millions of households file taxes for free. This could mean less money left on the table for those not required to file taxes. More financial relief is also set to be available on a state level. My dear friends, please do make sure that you watch until the end of this video. Also, every Friday, I will be announcing several winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter today's giveaway, all you have to do, friends, is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, friends, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. The Internal Revenue Service has also announced its intention to introduce a free online filing service for American taxpayers. This service will be available to residents of 13 states, including California, Texas, and New York. While the IRS has been providing free electronic filing for lower income tax filers for a number of years now, the extent of the program has been limited. One major factor hindering the expansion of online filing services has been the substantial costs associated with maintaining such a program. According to a recent report, the IRS estimated that providing the service to 5 million users would incur costs of $64 million, while serving 25 million users would escalate the expenses to $249 million.
In its relentless pursuit of canceling student debt, the Department of Education seems to have forgotten that Congress gave it a job to do. Last year, the department announced its unconstitutional effort to spend hundreds of billions of taxpayers' dollars contrary to law. Of course, you remember that was the forgiving of student loans. Even after this attempt was declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court, endless efforts at debt cancellation seems to have taken precedent over the duty Congress is giving the department. For example, after being on pause for 3 years, student loan payments finally started back up here in October of this year. Servicers, students, and members of Congress pressed for answers about how and when this process would work. But instead of a plan, the return to repayment has been utter chaos. Iowans and even some members of my staff who have student loans have waited for weeks to get answers to very basic questions about their loans. Due to sloppy record keeping, the department has failed its audit for the second straight year in a row. In its hurry to cancel debt, the administration can't even provide auditors enough information to do their jobs. It isn't just previous students who are being left in limbo. There's another issue that it's hard to get information on. So we have current and incoming college students still can't fill out the application form that goes by the acronym FAFSA. That stands for Free Application for Student Aid. In a normal year, students would fill it out in October and know early in the process whether they qualified for Pell Grants or other forms of student aid. But this year, students still don't have the information they need to start choosing the best school for them. I have long said that students don't have enough transparent information when applying to college.
However, these costs do not take into account potential savings resulting from a shift away from paper forms. Despite the financial considerations, the report revealed that 72% of users express interest in such a program. Tax expert Kelly Erb highlighted that even with the introduction of the new program, not everyone in eligible states will qualify. Experts have also noted that individuals owning businesses or with side hustles will not be eligible, as the service is designed for W-2 taxpayers who do not itemize deductions. Kelly also emphasized that the IRS aims to roll out the pilot program gradually. Describing the new program, tax experts have likened it to the existing online tax programs like TurboTax, emphasizing a user-friendly format. The pilot program, named Direct File, will encompass the integration of state taxes for Arizona, California, Massachusetts, and New York. IRS Commissioner Danny Werfel said that the Direct File pilot is currently undergoing continuous testing with taxpayers to identify and address any issues. He emphasized the agency's commitment to making the service user-friendly and easy to understand. Werfel also hinted at potential changes before the official launch for the 2024 tax season. The initiative to launch the pilot program was mandated by Congress, which passed the Inflation Reduction Act in 2022. If the pilot proves successful, Direct File may become an additional option for eligible taxpayers, alongside existing alternatives. Massachusetts Governor Maura Healey's tax relief package carries a financial impact of about $561 million this fiscal year and more than $1 billion annually, starting in fiscal year 2027. Since taking office, Governor Healey has been pushing for tax reform, repeatedly stressing the need to make the cost of living more affordable to families. The bill expands tax credits for parents and caregivers, reduces the estate tax, increases the earned income tax credit, and boosts breaks for renters, seniors, and low-income families, among other items. The bill also requires payments, if Chapter 62F is triggered, to be paid out equally amongst taxpayers. It also requires married taxpayers who file a joint return with the federal government to file a joint state return. One of the most important changes comes to the child and dependent tax credit. The bill increases the tax credit for dependent child, disabled adult, or senior from $180 to $310 in taxable year 2023. The net number increases to $440 in taxable year 2024 and beyond. This expanded credit, which will benefit more than 565,000 families, will be the most generous universal child and dependent tax credit in the nation. The legislation will also increase a cap on the rental deduction from $3,000 to $4,000. This change will support approximately 800,000 renters across the state. So friends, please make sure to take action and claim this relief if you reside in the state. Well, my awesome and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Dear friends, thank you very much for being part of this community. In a video later today, I will be announcing several winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter the weekly giveaway, friends, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, friends, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. Thank you, and have a wonderful and very blessed day.